For this sword, I just use 1 260. In this case, I have the green. All right, so you're gonna blow that up almost all the way, so you have a little bit of room to work with when you make your twists. So go ahead and start on that end of the nozzle and make a loop twist there. This is gonna be big enough for the rest of the balloon to go through, about 5 finger lengths. Twist that nozzle in a couple times. I like to do twice. Now you're gonna make 4 1-inch bubbles. Make sure you twist around quite a few times. Make your second one. And your third. And you have to hold everything in place on your left hand there as you're twisting. So don't let go anywhere as you're doing this. Okay, we have 4 bubbles there. Make sure you hold on tightly to both sides. And you're gonna wrap the very end of that balloon around and push it through the loop twist we just made at the beginning. You just slide that through, just like that. So you have the handle of your sword. And that is how you make the pirate sword. Looks good, guys. Nice work.